TRIQBRIQ AG. Created to address the need for more sustainable construction materials. To help with these materials, TRIQBRIQs are created using wood from calamity wood and reclaimed lumber. The company behind this innovation uses robo technology to create precisely crafted wood bricks that stack together like Legos. Holding the stack in place are beechwood dowels, which remove the need for screws, nails, or glue. What makes TRIQBRIQ so revolutionary is that it doesn't require any expertise and is versatile enough to be used in most projects, including constructing load-bearing walls. And when a construction has outlasted its use, you can simply disassemble the build and reuse the TRIQBRIQ in new construction. Also, it significantly speeds up construction times. For instance, a 500 square meter or 598 square yard floor takes 2 days to build with TRIQBRIQ instead of the 10 to 20 days concrete floors might take. That's speed efficiency, reusability, all wrapped in one. iLoc. Lego-esque innovations in wood construction? iLoc is a brand of acoustic panels created by iWood Denmark. The panels bear a clean and unique design and use the Valenge Innovation 5G locking technology, which is a recurring feature on many KLIK furniture and flooring. iLoc acoustic panels are remarkably easy to install, with a 3-step process that can be explained as set, push, click. Once the panels align perfectly, you are greeted with a satisfying click and finish, and perfectly locked finger joints. This satisfying click comes from plastic clips at the end of each finger joint, which click into place both horizontally and vertically. Talk about a very secure joint. The cherry on top of this already impressive solution is that iLoc panels are versatile enough to be used in just about any building project, from offices to schools to entertainment hotspots and so on. Format Wood. These acoustic panels from Format Wood are some of the most innovative designs you'll ever find. The panels, made from American walnut, ash, and oak, bring a certain softness into a room that isn't easily replicated. Beyond looks, the panels are also impressive acoustically, with a 30mm or 1.18-inch thick panel, capable of absorbing more than 60% of sounds within the range of 200 to 800 Hz. That means better audio clarity for any space with Format Wood panels, like homes and recording studios. The company behind these panels is the result of more than 50 years of woodworking heritage, which goes into creating some of the most unique acoustic panel designs on the market. What began as a small family-owned woodworking shop in Germany has since grown into a global brand with acoustic panels that have gone on to win awards on the international stage. Toja Grid. A modular system designed for pergola and shed enthusiasts, as well as those tackling similar projects. Before moving on, consider this. The manufacturers have introduced an innovative solution worth exploring. The Toja Grid system relies on highly adaptable modular assemblies, making it simple to expand or enhance your pergola. For instance, you can add a swing using just a ladder and a basic screwdriver. However, it's important to note that the wood is not included in the kit, so you'll need to provide that yourself. The good news, you won't need to prepare a foundation, as Toja Grid structures are designed to work effectively on compacted soils. The fasteners in the kit are made from 2mm or 0.08 inches thick steel, ensuring durability. A basic set of 4 costs $176, making this a practical and accessible option for your construction needs. TimberHP. This insulation is an innovative product crafted from wood fibers, designed to resist moisture, mold, and rot. Impressively, it can withstand direct fire exposure for up to 2 hours due to the incorporation of borate, a commonly used compound also found in everyday products, like detergents and personal care items. This environmentally friendly material is produced using wood chips and repurposed waste from sawmills, making it a highly sustainable option for construction. What truly distinguishes TimberHP is its capacity to absorb and store carbon dioxide over its entire lifespan. It achieves a remarkable negative carbon footprint of -9 kilograms or 19.8 pounds per 18.5 square meters or 199 square feet, making it a standout choice for eco-conscious builders. Additionally, the company has transformed an old paper mill into a cutting-edge production facility, showcasing its dedication to innovation and environmental responsibility. X-Fix. Gone are the days when fasteners are reduced to nails, screws, and adhesives. XFix has decided there's a better way to go. Their solution relies on a friction-based joinery system that connects wood through precision cuts and interlocking grooves. So creating a secure connection is as simple as inserting an XFix into a groove and giving it a few love taps. If you're wondering if the joints are secure enough for ceilings and load-bearing walls, the HASSLACHER office building in Norway or the Bahas Archive in Berlin, XFix was a key ingredient in the construction of both buildings, which span over 3,000 square meters or 32,291 square feet of floor area, offering various lengths and versions of XFix, with some reaching 130 millimeters or 5.1 inches in length. What makes this solution even better is that it can be reused, is easy to disassemble, and can be used in different applications. Natural log house. Like fingerprints, every tree in nature is unique. By that logic, every log house in the world is its own brand of special, or at least that's what the experts at Natural Log House will have you believe. This company aims to connect people back to nature, and do so by building personalized homes created with 98% biodegradable natural materials, such as high-quality spruce and silver fir logs ethically sourced from the Kosciuszko region. Each log is meticulously selected, with the company favoring trees growing anywhere from 800 to 1,200 meters, or 2,625 to 3,937 feet above sea level. Also, they only harvest the timber during winter months, with special consideration for lunar activities. That said, these experts can create a 150 square meter, or 1,615 square feet custom-built, energy-efficient home with a unique aesthetic in roughly 6 months. Multi-Robotic timber assembly. The era of AI and robots is here, and that's great news for wood construction. Robots now play a key role in building different wooden projects, like the Shingled Timber Pavilion, a 2-story pavilion designed by robots at ETH, Zurich University. The robot, comprising of 456 parts, was able to measure, cut, install, and connect slats on the project, which spelled promising signs for the construction industry. In 2015, ERNE AG Halsbo introduced the world to Europe's largest robotic timber construction system, which makes wood construction easier, faster, and more efficient. The Shingled Timber Pavilion at ETH Zurich University, for instance, only took 5 weeks to finish, including on-site assembly, despite testing the robot with prefabrication parts and non-standardized materials. HASSLACHER Gruppe. Have you ever seen the huge beams on bridges and huge structures and wondered how they were made? Companies like the HASSLACHER Gruppe is the answer when you need beams heavier than an M1 Abrams tank. You can't just go to Home Depot. You need the experts who built a 60-ton, 32.7 meter long beam with a 1.1 meter thickness, or a 132,277 pounds heavy, 107.3 feet long, and 3.6 feet thick beam. For our Imperial viewers, using 17 different elements. The beam was so large, it had to be transported with escort vehicles. But even if you aren't building a bridge, beams for highway cameras, skyscraper, or business center, other building projects can benefit from the insane engineering like the HASSLACHER Gruppe. With over 120 years of experience, the company specializes in producing load-bearing, energy-efficient building materials, such as cross-laminated timber, glued laminated timber, and duo-trio solid timber beams, making them pioneers in the wood construction landscape. Mjøsa Tower. The Tower of Lake Mjøsa was erected in Norway in 2019. It wasn't just another wooden construction. It was an engineering marvel. The designer, Val Architecture, intended to kickstart the Renaissance era in timber construction. Mjøsa Tower was designed to show the world how much potential is still untapped from timber and how it was a sustainable material for high-rise construction. Standing at 85.4 meters or 280 feet tall, it is the world's tallest timber building. It has 18 floors and a huge basement spanning 11,300 square meters, or 121,632 feet square. This work of art was created using a combination of glued laminated timber and cross-laminated timber, which are great as load-bearing elements and show the strength and versatility of engineered wood. The only non-timber parts of Mjøsa Tower are the concrete slabs that line the top floors. Other than that, the building holds a swimming pool, offices, a restaurant, and more. A-fold. Sticking to the theme of Renaissance in timber construction, what do you think of building a 51 square meter or 549 square foot house in just 6 hours? You're looking at the A-Fold House, which is a line of innovative, prefabricated modular homes, which are both sustainable and can be easily erected. These structures are designed with a folding mechanism for easy transportation and assembly, giving them the vibe of wooden origami or jigsaw puzzles. A-Fold homes are built on pile and screw foundations, which means they can stand on their own in most terrains. The cherry on top is that these homes also come fully wired with water supply systems. But don't expect any furniture, since they are also customizable and come in different layouts. They can be tailored to any taste, whether that's home living, camping, or other needs. They even have a 4-bedroom option. STEICOfloor. Imagine an insulation solution that works flawlessly, regardless of your floor type, wood or concrete. That's exactly what STEICOfloor has achieved. Made from natural wood fibers, STEICOfloor provides home, offices, schools, and other buildings with excellent thermal and acoustic insulation properties, which is great for indoor comfort. The material is also breathable, temperature resistant, and non-flammable, which means better moisture regulation and less flammable risk, so you can worry less about mold forming and enjoy an even healthier indoors. Besides its insulating properties, STEICOfloor's acoustic qualities are just as great. It can reduce noises by up to 25 decibels, and in the hands of an expert, it can be used to cover up imperfections in the floor or for installing underfloor heating. NewTechWood deck tiles. DIY enthusiasts will be pleased to learn about NewTechWood deck tiles, which are an easy-to-install, eco-friendly decking solution for outdoor spaces, despite being made from recycled materials. These tiles also have the unique grain marbling found in natural wood. The bases of these deck tiles interlock, allowing for quick and easy installation by anyone regardless of skill level. That means no special tools or fasteners are required. But it gets better. The composite materials come with a protective polymer that makes these deck tiles resistant to rotting, fading, staining, and scratching. That also makes them last longer and require minimal maintenance. You can pick up these tiles in different sizes, including 30.5 square, 30.5 by 61, and 30.5 by 91.4 centimeters, or 1 by 1, 1 by 2, and 1 by 3 feet. You also have the option of selecting from a range of color options, like pink and blue. MPDA BarcelonaTech. The master's degree in parametric design and architecture at BarcelonaTech was designed to train professionals in advanced architectural creation with special focus on efficiency and environmental sustainability. What sets MPDA apart from other architectural disciplines in universities across the country is its comprehensive approach, which combines practical woodshops on parametric software, geometry, and numerical control machines to navigate real-world issues in complex architectural design. Take the Pintura Pavilion, designed in 2023 for instance. The structure features a Zillinger system that forms an intricate and robust notice. Latest structure, the timber folded shell, locally joined with few stiff mechanical fasteners, was made with 12mm or 0.47 inch thick birch plywood. Projects like the Pintura Pavilion show the potential of mass-produced modular wooden structures, which can be easily assembled on-site and make for sustainable buildings. Advantage deck tiles. Imagine having a deck that can assemble in just a day. This is what the creators claim, without needing any complicated tools. These innovative tiles click together effortlessly, offering a hassle-free installation for any outdoor space. The no need for nails, screws, or glue. Just snap them into place, and you're ready to go. This feature also makes them very easy to replace if individual tiles are damaged without needing to redo the entire surface. Made with sustainable materials like wood and composite, these tiles are durable and designed to withstand the elements, so your outdoor area stays looking great year-round. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts or anyone looking to upgrade their backyard or set up a temporary outdoor space. That said, these tiles don't come cheap. For instance, you'll have to part with $19 for 50 centimeters or 19.7 inch square tile crafted from exotic Garpa wood. Clip-up system by Garbelotto. Say goodbye to messy installation with Garbelotto's clip-up system. This game-changing flooring system uses special polymer clips to easily lock planks together, eliminating the need for nails or screws. The clips also allow for precise alignment of the boards, creating a clean, uniform surface without traditional visible fasteners that detract from the aesthetics of the wood. This system ensures a tight fit and reduces movement and squeaking between the boards. The best part is the clips allow individual decking boards to be removed without needing to undo the whole floor, which is great for repairs or maintenance. Finally, the clip-up system is adaptable and lowers the risk of moisture accumulation of wood expansion due to external weather conditions. The company behind this innovation manufactures over 1 million square meters or 10 million square feet of wooden floors annually. Laverty. When you think of a log cabin, you probably picture a rustic, charming structure nestled in the woods. Founded in 2005 by Earl Laverty, a former vice president of the International Log Builders Association, Laverty Log Homes and Timber Frames has since put its own spin on log home construction. While many log home builders rely solely on traditional methods, Laverty takes it a step further. The team still handcrafts log homes and timber frames with meticulous attention to detail, but they also rely on advanced design tools, such as CAD software from GUTEX North America, to ensure every connection is precise and every design is optimized. This marriage of old and new allows this company to create stunning custom design homes that look amazing and are built to last. Whether it's a classic round log home or a sleek Scandinavian-style timber frame, Laverty's homes can be tailored to any taste. Defense Adhesive 200. When it comes to protecting timber structures, we have the solution right here. Designed with exceptional resistance to water, wind, and dust, it helps maintain the integrity of timber structures. Whether you're working on wooden frames, facades, or roofs, engineered to ensure timber stays dry and safe, even in extreme weather conditions. A standout quality of this innovation is its advanced composition, which allows it to adapt to changes in temperature without compromising its protective properties. Additionally, its durability helps to prevent problems like wood swelling, rotting, and decay, which happen when moisture seeps into timber structures. It's designed so builders can install it quickly and efficiently, and also remove and reapply if applied incorrectly. Made up of multiple layers, including EVA, non-woven PP fabric, adhesive layer of acrylic dispersion, and a separating layer of plastic film. Ubbink. When it comes to durable, long-lasting sealing solutions, Ubbink bituminous tape is the way to go. Its bituminous composition makes for great versatility as it adheres strongly to multiple surfaces, including metal, wood, and concrete. What makes the tape even better is its exceptional UV and water resistance. That means your project won't degrade under prolonged exposure to sunlight, nor would it be susceptible to leaks, corrosion, or structural damage. Additionally, the tape can handle temperatures as low as -40 degrees and high as +80 degrees Celsius or -40 degrees to 172 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also easy to apply, has a self-adhesive backing that makes it stick securely to surfaces without needing additional adhesives or tools. As for pricing, a standard 20-meter or 65.6 feet roll with 80 millimeters or 3.1 inches breadth, enough to cover an 8 square meter or 86.1 square feet terrace, costs $22. Weekend walls. Transform your home effortlessly with weekend walls, panels. No power tools or complex installations required. Unlike traditional systems that require screws, drills, or frames, these panels stick directly to the wall with adhesive, making them hassle-free and beginner-friendly. Made from recycled wood, weekend walls panels are perfect for eco-conscious DIYers. You only need a roller and a pocket knife to achieve stunning results in a few hours. Even petite users can install and trim the panels easily, making it ideal for anyone looking for a quick, stylish upgrade without the stress of a major renovation. The panels bring a warm, natural wooden charm to your space, whether you want a rustic ascend wall or a complete transformation at $325 per 3.7 meter or 12.1 foot box. They're an affordable way to elevate your home with style and simplicity. Truss Screw Guide. In construction, precision and reliability are crucial, especially for securing trusses. Truss screw guides are now essential for safe and efficient installation, with innovations from manufacturers like Preda, FastFix, and Strong Drive SDWC leading the way. Preda FastFix fasteners are designed to reduce risks when screwing into wood, undergoing rigorous testing to ensure durability and minimize cracking. They're ideal for contractors needing precision, especially when wood integrity is vital. Strong Drive SDWC fasteners meet international construction standards and are suited for chemically treated wood, which is often a challenge for standard fasteners. One standout feature of the Strong Drive SDWC fasteners is their bright orange color, which makes them easy to spot and improves visual control during installation. BSB. The Bloomer System Binder, created by Swiss engineer Hermann Bloomer, is an innovative 11 technology that combines glued laminated timber, steel plates, and dowels to create strong, versatile connections. The result is a seamless combination of timber with steel and concrete elements. The steel plates and BSB connections are typically 8 mm or 0.31 inches thick, while their length and width vary based on design specifications. Dowels measure 12 mm or 0.47 inches in diameter, with timber holes slightly larger, 12.5 mm or 0.49 inches, for a precise fit. Dowels also vary in length to ensure proper embedment and the necessary strength for structural integrity. BSB's adaptability makes it ideal for a wide range of applications, from bridges and sports facilities to hybrid structures. Its ability to accommodate various design styles while maintaining exceptional load-bearing capacity and durability has earned it the trust of professionals in demanding wood construction projects. Deck-to-wall spacers. While building a deck, small inclusions like deck-to-wall spacers can make all the difference. At $25 for a set of 10, these affordable spacers help preserve your deck's structural integrity by creating a gap between the deck and the wall. This gap promotes airflow and drainage, reducing the risk of trapped moisture and material rot. Over time, this simple addition can save you hundreds or even thousands in repair costs. Made from durable glass-filled polypropylene, these spacers are resistant to water and corrosion, performing well in even the toughest conditions. Their large bearing surface improves load distribution and sets them apart from competitors. With a 5 cm or 1.97 inch overall diameter and an 8 mm or a 3.1 inch center hole, deck-to-wall spacers are easy to install and compatible with most fasteners, making them a reliable and cost-effective solution for long-lasting deck construction. OnoBloc. DIY enthusiasts will be excited to learn about OnoBloc. This innovation takes standard-oriented strand boards to the next level, turning it into modular building blocks. With the addition of plastic connectors, these blocks are perfect for constructing features like kitchen islands, partition walls, or bathroom panels. The hollow design is versatile, ideal for running cables or pipes, and can even be soundproofed by filling the void with sand or applying a double layer of mastic. The blocks also can be customized to match your decor, whether that means painting or covering them with drywall for a polished finish. This makes OnoBlocs particularly handy in spaces like bathrooms, where OSB often requires extra protection and aesthetics. Designed for indoor use only, OnoBloc is a single yet innovative solution for anyone looking to renovate or personalize their space without compromising on functionality or style. GUTEX Fibreblow. Builders and contractors looking for blown-in wood insulation will be interested to know that the GUTEX Fibreblow system promises to revolutionize the system as they know it. Designed for roofs, walls, and other home elements, it ensures insulation is delivered efficiently and precisely. This modular, scalable system uses approximately 38 kilograms or 83 pounds of insulation per cubic meter, making it both cost-effective and environmentally conscious. With a delivery speed of up to 12,200 kilograms or 26,900 pounds of insulation per hour, Fibreblow saves time on large-scale projects. Its specialized nozzles are another standout quality of this product, as they fill even irregularly shaped areas seamlessly, ensuring total coverage. The insulation itself, made from spruce and fir wood, blends sustainability with high performance. KLIK-KLIK Wall System. The best way to describe the KLIK-KLIK wall system is speed, affordability, and sustainability, rolled up into one innovative package. Made from cross-laminated timber, these lightweight panels stand out with their unique screwless connections. This design brings two main benefits to the table: increases durability and simple tool-free assembly. Even clients with no prior construction experience can assemble KLIK-KLIK panels. For example, two people with just a hammer and a ladder can install 100 square meters or 1,076.4 square feet of panels in just 24 hours. This simplicity translates into significant cost savings, up to 20% less than traditional construction methods, potentially reducing expenses by tens of thousands of dollars. KLIK-KLIK doesn't just make building easier, it also allows users to take advantage of a free 3D design tool available on its website, allowing anyone to plan their dream home. Whether for DIY enthusiasts or professionals, this is a game changer for modern green construction. Supports for wooden poles plus WPC poles. For both private and commercial projects, two practical options stand out for installing poles. First, you have wood plastic composite poles. Made from a blend of natural wood fibers and plastic, these poles are not only affordable but also highly water resistant. That makes them a great choice for outdoor use. On the other hand, you have metal supports for wooden poles, like those designed by the German company Patel. These brackets work great for securing wooden poles to concrete or base plates, ensuring stability and durability in any structure. Both options are versatile and can be used in a range of applications, such as fences, screens, and pergolas. So whether you're looking for sturdy metal brackets or long-lasting composite poles, you can rest assured that both options will meet your functionality and aesthetic goals. LignoLoc. When it comes to sustainable construction and furniture production, the creators of LignoLoc are leading the charge with an innovative solution: wooden nails. Made from sustainability-sourced wood, the nails are designed to replace traditional metal fasteners, making it easier to recycle furniture completely, particularly older furniture. These wooden nails, measuring 3.7 millimeters or 0.15 inches in diameter and 50 to 65 millimeter or 1.97 to 2.56 inches in length, are just as strong as aluminum nails. The only catch? You'll need a pneumatic nail gun to drive them in, as opposed to a regular hammer. The real innovation lies in how the nails merge with the wood during installation, essentially becoming one with the material. A set of 1,020 LignoLoc nails and coils will set you back $135. This is a simple yet effective way to reduce your environmental impact while maintaining high construction standards. DeckWright. DIY enthusiasts and professionals have plenty of decking options, but DeckWright stands out with its market-leading anti-slip decking. Boards in the UK, tested with the Pendulum test value, DeckWright scored an impressive 71, far surpassing the safety threshold of 35 for significantly reducing slip risks, even on dirt-covered boards. The secret lies in their design. DeckWright is made with polyurethane, resin, and an aggregate mix, which is embodied into narrow strips on the timber surface to create a subtle yet effective grip. This ensures safety in damp conditions without compromising the natural beauty of the wood. Priced at $20 per board, measuring 2,000 by 125 by 32 millimeters or 78.7 by 4.9 by 1.3 inches. DeckWright offers a great balance of safety, aesthetics, and affordability. These boards are a smart investment for anyone prioritizing outdoor safety without sacrificing style. Lancaster Log Cabins. Forget everything you think you know about campers and tiny homes. Lancaster Log Cabins, based in the USA, is reshaping the concept of portable living with cabins on wheels that are as durable as they are comfortable, built to last 50 years. These log cabins offer a cozy and spacious 37 square meters or 398.3 square feet of living area, perfect for year-round living. Yes, even in winter. What sets them apart? Lancaster's cabins aren't just about aesthetics or short-term stays. They offer a turnkey solution. Once delivered, your cabin is ready to move in or rent out immediately. These cabins also benefit from specific American laws, making them tax-friendly. They're also quite affordable. The Sierra model, for instance, priced at $74,900, offers all the features we've covered so far. Ready for a new way to live? Lancaster Log Cabins have you covered. Wisdome Stockholm. In Sweden, they've taken wood construction to the next level with the incredible Wisdome Stockholm, serving as an extension to the Swedish National Museum of Science and Technology. This unique wooden structure spans an impressive 1,300 square meters or 13,993 square feet. Inside, visitors are treated to an immersive 360-degree 3D projection system, making it an unforgettable experience. But what's truly mind-blowing is the dome's vast 48-meter span, which was achieved without using a single supporting column. This architectural feat was made possible by using approximately 20 kilometers or 12.4 miles of laminated veneer lumber beams, and proudly displayed the strength and versatility of wood in modern construction. Wisdome Stockholm is more than just a building, it's a work of art. Brikawood. Imagine building a house as easily as stacking Lego bricks. Well, that's exactly what Brikawood offers. These innovative wooden bricks allow builders to construct a small house in just a couple of days, all without the need for nails, screws, or glue. Simply put, the assembly is tool-free and doesn't require a particular level of expertise. Made from Douglas fir wood, Brikawood bricks come in 3 sizes and have proven their durability with rigorous testing. Buildings constructed with them have withstood extreme conditions, including temperatures as low as minus 20 degrees Celsius or negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit and an 8.5 magnitude earthquake. But Brikawood's advantages don't stop there. Homes built with these bricks are energy efficient and don't require additional cladding or vapor barriers, making them a solid, sustainable, and comfortable living space. ISOTEX. When it comes to wood-based innovations in construction, ISOTEX is leading the way with papercrete. This unique material is a combination of compressed wood, cement, and various additives to create blocks that are not only lightweight but also easy to saw and cut. One of the standout features of ISOTEX blocks that isn't immediately obvious with their appearance is their exceptional sound insulation properties. When used as partition walls, they can reduce noise by up to 46 decibels, making them ideal for creating quiet spaces in homes or offices. Additionally, these blocks have strong adhesion, allowing for easy plaster application or finishing. Standard ISOTEX blocks measure 50 by 10 by 25 centimeters or 19.7 by 3.9 by 9.8 inches and are perfect for dividing rooms, allowing the practicality and better acoustic performance. With ISOTEX, you get more than just a building material. You get the future of acoustically sound, eco-friendly spaces. NHERI TallWood. Norway may boast the tallest timber building, but the United States has tested a 34-meter or 111.5-foot 10-story timber structure in an earthquake simulator that showed groundbreaking seismic resilience. Built with cross-laminated and massed timber panels, this marvel was part of the NHERI TallWood project, a National Science Foundation-funded initiative created to develop seismic design methods for tall wood buildings. A standout innovation from the project is the mass timber rocking wall lateral system, which allows controlled rocking durable earthquakes, reduces structural damage, and helps with faster repairs. During testing, the building withstood a simulated 7.7 magnitude earthquake with minimal damage, thanks in part to post-tension steel rods installed on all floors for added shock absorption. This is a promising sign and proof that the NHERI TallWood project has the potential to transform urban construction for good. Systimber. The UN has estimated the global population will hit 8.5 billion soon, and nearly half of that population of people will still be lacking their own living space. That's where fast, efficient building methods come in, and Belgian company Systimber is stepping up to the plate with a new technology that can help ease this catastrophic crisis. Their solid wooden blocks use a simple tongue and groove system, secured with anchors and pre-drilled holes. And you don't need to be a pro to put it all together either, because in just a couple of days, you could have a cozy house built with no need for extra insulation or interior finishing at all. It's an economical solution too, with a price tag of about $20,940. As a bonus, it could be disassembled and relocated too. Want to revolutionize your office? We've got you covered. NewTechWood. Office ceilings can often hide all sorts of systems and wires that make repairs or maintenance a nightmare. That's where NewTechWood is stepping in with a much smarter solution. And as the company describes it, their offering of wooden suspended ceilings made from natural oak or cherry veneers will be much easier to work with and remove. No need for wrestling with awkward tools. They simply hinge down, making repairs and maintenance a whole lot simpler. But there's more to these ceilings than just convenience, because they are also fantastic for cutting down on noise, and some panels soak up as much as 95% of sound in the 125 to 3000 Hz range, creating a quieter and more comfortable workspace. Integrating nature and technology is always the best approach, and this is exactly what we have coming up. Naturi. To meet the needs of modern, conscious consumers looking for greener and more efficient building solutions, one Austrian company has come up with the solution. Naturi is a self-sufficient, more natural building technology that skips the glue, insulation, and chemical treatments. It relies instead on vertical timber structures for an eco-friendly and efficient build. Naturi proves you don't need heavy-duty materials or chemicals to build something strong, reliable, and sustainable. The heaviest piece in the kit weighs just 33 pounds. Or 15 kilograms. It's perfect for projects where using heavy machinery isn't an option. Plus, despite being lightweight, these vertical wall elements are 8 times stronger than horizontal ones, and so stable that no extra formwork is needed during finishing. Since its debut more than 20 years ago, this Austrian company has used their system to build all over Europe. Reciprocal Roof. Many construction projects across the world are starting to tackle their projects with reciprocal roofs. Those clever structures where beams and rods all support each other, creating a roof that's only anchored along the edges of the room. This smart design skips the need for any middle supports, and when done right, is incredibly sturdy and durable. Want to see how it works? Check out a simple drawing of a reciprocal roof online and try building a tiny version with some matches. Or for the full experience, watch the pros construct one using 16 rafters. While installing the roofing material takes a bit of effort, the finished product is undeniably stunning and unique. How advanced do you think 3D printing has become? Keep watching to see. Biohome 3D. A team of US researchers has built something pretty groundbreaking, a 3D printed house called Biohome 3D. This 613 square feet or 57 square meter home, made entirely from locally sourced wood fibers and resins, includes everything you'd expect: a kitchen, bedroom, living room, and bathroom. Moreover, by the time it is not useful anymore, the whole thing can be recycled to ensure the utmost eco-friendliness. It's not just the world's first 3D printed house made from bio-based materials, it's also an affordable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional housing. This project is a big win for cutting down the environmental impact of 3D printing while showing the world what's possible with the right sustainable design. Have you ever wanted to embrace the wood aesthetics but without the high cost? This is now possible. Immerso. Tiny homes are all the hype lately, and this is why Immerso deserves a spot on our list. It's only 65 square feet, or 6 square meters in size, but it's spacious enough for 4 people. It's designed with everything you need, from a lounge area to transparent walls that'll allow you to admire the natural landscape. For example, what's better than seeing this view in the Italian Alps? When you want to opt for more privacy, curtains are easily installed. The most impressive feature of this small home is that a team of 4 people can assemble it from start to finish in just 2 hours. This can all be done without any tools or equipment. All that's needed is to know how to connect plywood elements. SanFoot. Hakkasan, a Japanese company, made headlines by slicing veneer down to an astonishingly thin 0.007 inches or 0.2 millimeters. But they didn't stop at breaking records. Instead, they went on to create SanFoot, a unique and eye-catching veneered wallpaper. SanFoot is a game changer when it comes to veneered wallpaper. Its 5-layer design, complete with aluminum foil, makes it fire-resistant and flexible enough to bend around 90-degree corners without a hitch. And while it looks super high-end, putting it up is as easy as hanging regular wallpaper. With a slim profile of just 0.01 inches or 0.3 millimeters, SanFoot is both sleek and space efficient, giving your walls a stunning wood look finish without cramping your space. It's super versatile too, sticking easily to almost any surface. It's a go-to for everything from snug homes to chic hotels, concert halls, and public spaces. ARCA. When it comes to creativity and innovation, experience isn't everything, and ARCA is a truly telling example. This French workshop, founded in 2009, has already made waves in the woodworking world, and a perfect case in point is their creation of Wood, a super flexible veneered membrane that can magically transform from flat to 3D shapes. It's the ideal material to use if you want to create pockets for books, phones, and other essential items on a previously bare wall, and it can give neglected spaces a brand new practical purpose. But it's not just for the home either, because it's also great for making stylish handbags, jewelry boxes, and other accessories that are as clever as they are useful. Extending the lifespan of wood can be very useful, and it's something worth keeping your eye out for. LOGI Prefab. Building a house was never really meant to be anything but a long and drawn-out process, but it seems like LOGI Prefab didn't get the memo, because they have introduced a wholly fresh take on home construction by offering prefabricated house sections that make building quick and almost completely painless. The company takes care of the entire process from start to finish, leaving the homeowner with a fully finished and ready-to-use home. Their standout product is roofing panels, paired with stone walls, as shown in the video. And if you're looking for a complete build, LOGI Prefab's Twist project can deliver a stunning 1,840 square foot or 171 square meter panel and frame home with an impressive A++ energy efficiency rating in as little time as just a weekend. FastenMaster deck frame coating. FastenMaster is pretty confident that their products bring something completely different to the table. For example, the deck frame coating. It's a water-based sealant made specifically to be used on decks and porch, and it takes being efficient and effective to a whole new level of performance. It will be able to create a robust, defensive layer on beams, posts, stair stringers, and the likes of with remarkable ease, thus keeping moisture and rot at bay. It's also completely non-flammable and easy to apply with a brush, and if you happen to get some on your it washes off easily with nothing more than warm water and soap. To make everything even more user-friendly, it has been designed to dry in just 20 minutes. A 1 gallon or 3.8 liter container retails for just $108. GABLOC. This relatively unknown company has created GABLOC blocks, which are inspired by those interlocking building block toys we all know. Their materials are pretty straightforward too, being just a simple blend-oriented strand board and polystyrene foam. There are just 8 key pieces, and you can easily put together a 1,076 square foot or 100 square meter floor in less than 1 work week. What's more, a house made from these blocks will cost you about $1,250 per 10.7 square foot or 1 square meter, which includes both materials and labor. And after some testing, the blocks have been approved by acoustic and energy efficiency experts too. For eco-conscious buyers, both the OSB and polystyrene options are made to be fully recyclable. You may think wood is limited in construction, but we have something that'll certainly change your mind. Wood crate. Wood crate was invented back in the 1930s and is still a top pick for many. Believe it or not, this building material has been around for almost a century and is still going strong. And there is tinkering with the recipe, with fancy new versions like electrically ozonated wood crate popping up. It's made from a mix of Portland cement, sawdust, wood chips, and chemical additives like sodium silicate. It ticks off several benefits. It's lightweight, easy to cut, and porous, with 35 cubic feet or 1 cubic meter of it being lighter by about about 50% compared to brick of the same volume. On the downside, it can let in strong winds when you don't want it to. But despite this, it's still widely used in both commercial and private projects, and will be around for a long time to come. Okoya. The brilliant folks behind this next project have come up with what might just be the next big thing in high-performance wood. It's called Okoya, and it's made using a process called acetylation that treat the wood in chemicals through its entire depth. Basically, this chemical treatment alters the natural wood, turning it into a material that's tough against rot, decay, and bugs. Not only that, but it is also dimensionally stable, boasts a remarkable 25-year ground contact, durability, exceptional paint and varnish retention, and greatly improved thermal insulation, as well as significantly reduced warping and swelling. The result is an eco-friendly and versatile material that can still be easily burned and recycled if needed. The only trace of its treatment is a faint vinegar-like scent, which is a small sacrifice for its incredible advantages. Rothoblas Defense Adhesive. Wood is an incredible material, and when you work with it, it becomes even more incredible. But it does require a bit more special handling to keep it looking great, especially during the construction phase. The Rothoblas Defense Adhesive, coming from a construction company that's popular in over 70 countries. It's a fantastic product for protecting your pieces, and provides several key benefits over its competition. This self-adhesive, transparent membrane is easy to mark, waterproof, and vapor permeable and breathable, as well as low weight and easy to carry at just 7 ounces per 11 square feet, or 200 grams per square meter. It's also resistant abrasion, trampling, and slipping, making it ideal for more demanding construction environments. Lastly, the smart formula of this defense adhesive keeps everything fortified for up to 12 weeks. What's better than a homegrown American invention? 1-inch wall. 1-inch wall, with its natural wood composition, is single-handedly the simplest way to upgrade any space immediately, and a wonderful way to add value to your home, or just enhancing the aesthetics and acoustics of any space. Currently, 1-inch wall stands out as the sole and exclusive provider of these 0.7 inches or 18 millimeters thick, and 1.4 inches or 35 millimeter wide wooden acoustic panels, and they have incorporated special recycled felt into their design to increase the effectiveness of their sound absorption. This ultimately makes these panels a great choice for any space, but especially home theater or office environments, or even restaurants and cafes. To top off the charm of these panels, the manufacturer added the option of integrating them with various design elements like lamps, shelves, and planters with ease. Modviant. One company has managed to achieve the incredible feat of engineering woodwind turbines, and then broke the mold by going on to make it a colossal 344 feet or 105 meters tall. It's an operational part of the local energy grid and capable enough to power approximately 400 homes. Modviant places emphasis on the cost-effectiveness of their tall wooden turbines compared to their steel counterparts, and also notes that transporting the sections is significantly easier and more practical. This structure can be found in Sweden and uses only laminated timber for its main components and steel fasteners as reinforcement. It still succeeds in making a strong and durable structure with an overall height of 492 feet or 150 meters. Small things like clamps can make a big difference in a project, so stay tuned for more inventions. Cordwood construction. Few building techniques can lay claim to being as uniquely charming and beneficial as cordwood construction. This method makes use of short, pre-dried logs embedded in a specialized mortar, the likes of which can be anything from clay, sand, pine needles, and even manure, concrete, or Portland cement. The result is a wall system that is as strong and energy efficient as any other masonry wall, but also much cheaper and easier to build. Cordwood homes not only boast a distinctive aesthetic, characterized by the striking protruding logs that create a visually interesting appearance by sticking out about 3 centimeters. They're also remarkably durable and are able to stand strong through extreme sub-zero temperatures as cold as -40 degrees Celsius or -40 degrees Fahrenheit. The best of all, they can last for centuries. Feeling wood. One major selling point of our next feature is the fact that the company behind its creation was founded by an industry veteran who has experience in construction. This expertise has allowed the company to identify key challenges in wood-plastic composites and craft a truly unique approach to addressing them. Among these solutions are special 3D textured boards and unique clamps that are remarkably easy to use. Just insert, twist, and push to secure the board. They can cut down installation time by up to 60%. Not only that, but these clamps, though created to pair with Feeling Wood's products, only for now, are straightforward enough to be used by just about anyone and can help round off an already finished product nicely. Wood is many things except transparent, or so you'd think. Frere's Wood Mass Ply. Frere's Lumber, a company with over 100 years of expertise in wood manufacturing, is set to become a pioneer in the field thanks to their unique patented mass ply panels. They are manufactured using advanced technology and offer great benefits to the construction industry. These novel panels use creatively compressed and glued Douglas fir wood veneers and come in a variety of different types, with their unique benefits of being stable, durable, lightweight, and environmentally and budget-friendly. They see many highly adaptive uses in the coming decades. The company is so sure of their practical, sturdy, and thoughtful designed product that they believe it offers performance comparable to solid beams, but at a fraction of the cost, and have chosen to display their reliability by employing them for use in the construction of a 12-story building in Portland. Transparent wood. You might be aware of sustainable materials created specifically for the construction industry, but transparent wood might be something totally new. A team of researchers from the University of Maryland have managed to conjure up what might just be the future of sustainable materials by removing the natural pigments from wood through a special chemical process, and in turn created a translucent material that's both strong and sustainable. The treated wood was then reinforced with epoxy resin, making it 5 times stronger than its original form, while keeping it fully recyclable and naturally more eco-friendly than plastic. It's also a great deal better at providing crucial insulation. The potential applications are endless, from unique architectural designs to use in solar panels and more. This translucent wood can also make its way into furniture, windows, and other building materials very soon. Marley Cedar Shingles. As luck would have it, Marley timber shingles offer more than just an appealing finish for roofs and facades. They are made to evolve over time and to enhance a building's unique character. Made from cedar, their color changes organically over time, adding a distinctive charm, and they are also designed to last up to half a century on their own. But if you're in a humid area with bugs, you can choose treated shingles. You can just use regular stainless steel nails to hold the shingles in place, and they are great for roofs with a slope of 14 degrees. Marley cedar shingles are priced at $258 per batch, covering approximately 25 square feet or 2.3 square meters. Would insulation that adapts to the seasons be a life changer in your home? Stay tuned. TRIQBRIQ. While we're on the subject of revolutionary building techniques, we have to mention TRIQBRIQ. The company makes it look ridiculously simple to create an entire dwelling from prefabricated blocks. This innovative method eliminates the need for glue, nails, screws, or heavy machinery. The entire structure is completely modular, and it can then also be disassembled and relocated at any time. It can be assembled with a small team of less than 5 people and in less than 10 days. What makes all this possible is the use of these interlocking wooden blocks, which occupy occupy up to 4 times less space than any of their counterparts and are considerably lighter. This makes transportation and in turn assembly a much less laborious process. Brick B can even be used in conjunction with partitions to renovate offices and apartments. GUTEX Ultratherm. The creators of GUTEX Ultratherm knew that many people tend to choose wood as their preferred insulation material, so they made sure to make this solution as user-friendly and high quality as possible. These panels are waterproof, wind-tight, allow for vapor transmission, and thus help create a healthy indoor environment. They ensure a cozy environment in winter and a cool one in summer, making them ideal for both new construction and renovation alike, no matter how tight the deadlines are. Another great feature is that these panels do not require any adhesive or nails since they have a patented tongue and groove design that makes them easy to install, and you can buy them in multiple thicknesses, from 2 to 6.3 inches or 5 to 16 centimeters. The panels can even serve as a temporary roof for up to 3 months. Wood Innovation CLT. The key to successful construction is using innovative materials, smart planning, and advanced building techniques. And that's exactly what CLT delivers. In the next few years, the use of CLT, or cross-laminated timber, is set to reach a global market of over $2 billion. And these specially engineered softwood panels are going to be center stage. Its applications are incredibly diverse, ranging from residential to large-scale commercial projects. Plus, it's sturdy and stable, environmentally friendly, and highly convenient for construction since it doesn't shrink. Builders can put doors and windows in place much faster than before. What's more, CLT panels can be used in places where seismic conditions are challenging, and they have stability and resilience during earthquakes of up to 7.5 magnitude. Fireproofing is a valuable investment when working with wood, and we have just what you need coming up. Giant wooden house. Next is a house that has been built by using a unique, incredibly beautiful, yet immensely challenging wood construction technique known as East Asian style. The building of this house did not include the use of any of the traditional building materials such as nails or steps like the permanent fixing of the support pillars on the foundation, and yet it will last through generations of use. Its enduring beauty a testament to the artistry of the builders and the quality of the workmanship. Preparing and arranging the individual components that create this structure demands meticulous labor and precision, and the entire process is time-consuming. By cleverly harnessing the hidden powers of the friction and the tension of the wood, the components can be securely held together, and the structure will be used for what could be literal centuries. Sherwin-Williams Pyroplast. Fire is one of the greatest threats to wooden architecture, but now builders can actually do something to slow down the spread of this fierce destroyer. The tool is Sherwin-Williams Pyroplast, a robust flame retardant solution that could be used to coat wooden structures. It works by swelling up and forming a special charred layer that acts as a thermal barrier and stops the fire from spreading. This water-based product is designed for use on both wood and wood derivatives and can be used in much the same way as a conventional paint. For now, it's unfortunately still restricted in its use, and it's not made for use on floors, stairs, areas with high humidity, or locations near heat sources. Right now, this amazing substance sells for around $773 per 55 pounds, or 25 kilogram buckets. Brock Commons TallWood House. The innovative Brock Commons dormitory is located in the University of British Columbia campus and is a remarkable feat of modern construction. What took other projects months to complete was done by this institution in less than 70 days. While other facilities were still working on basic structures, Brock Commons was already decorating, and all this was done with the utilization of cross-laminated timber sourced from local forests to make sure everything is strong enough to withstand the elements. The building rests on 2 reinforced concrete rods, plus areas such as elevator shafts and stairwells are reinforced with metal, and the foundation maintained its traditional concrete construction. What's cool is that the construction team recreated the iconic lunch on top of a skyscraper photo from 1932. Have you ever thought of making your stairs safer? Keep watching to see how. Post supports. You can see a handyman connecting a wooden post with a steel support, an important step towards extending its lifespan and maintaining the integrity of the structure. The first step is to mark and drill an opening, after which the initial support is put in place and secured. This is done with a heavy-duty fastener that has a 0.4 inch or 10 millimeter thread and a length of 4.7 inches or 120 millimeters. The support's function does ultimately determine its thread size, ranging from M20 to M30, and the steel thickness can be anywhere from 0.2 to 0.6 inches, or 6 to 15 millimeters. Notably, this support can handle a max load of up to 100 kilonewtons, and the adjustment range is quite wide, as exemplified by a support with an M24 thread, which offers an adjustment range of 2.5 inches, or 65 millimeters. Stair treads. Stairs are still a relatively dangerous part of the home. Every year, roughly 1 million people get hurt just by using them. But now, it's easier than ever to change your old, worn stairs into a beautiful and safe extension of your home by enlisting the help of Coastal Carolina wood products and stair treads. Thanks to these pre-finished retrofit stair treads, this stylish upgrade is now both simple and affordable, and the repair outcomes are always visually impressive. The company can supply a diverse selection of wood options, including oak and kumara wood, and can also apply traditional paint or stain, as well as aluminum oxide for even more durability. Plus, if the staircase has to endure a lot of foot traffic, this protection enhances its resistance to wear and tear, so it's essentially an investment into your personal safety. Buildings and structures on tall wooden piers. The UK's Western Burt Arboretum is a breathtaking and stunningly unique attraction with over 15,000 shrubs and trees. It spans an impressive 243 hectares or 600 acres and boasts some of the most incredible wooden construction technology around anywhere. For those who want to fully appreciate it, there's the option of embarking on a guided tour, particularly along the treetop walkway that snakes through the tree canopy. This structure manages to incorporate exciting features like a rope bridge and a crow's nest for everyone to enjoy. The elevated walkway stretches 42.6 feet or 13 meters high, extends some 984 feet or 300 meters, and features 57 solid lurchwood supports that are carefully arranged to avoid damaging the trees' delicate crowns and roots, making it an immersive attraction that's even wheelchair friendly and lets you get close to nature without leaving a trace behind. If you like this countdown, our next one is sure to impress you even more. So stay tuned for more cool home technologies.